Hi and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be spending the day together. I am going to be sharing everything from a recipe to a mask. I'm also going to be giving you a little closet tour. If you're loving this video, please subscribe and let's begin. I want to share my favorite face mask with you. This is by SkinCeuticals and this is a clay mask. It works best after you wash your face. You're just going to apply it all throughout the areas that you want to cover. You can even do your neck, and then you hop in, you take a shower or a bath, and it will melt away. This face mask is a facial in a bottle and I use it 3 times a week. Now I want to show you guys a snack that I've been having. I have the worst sweet tooth in the world. I also have to have my afternoon coffee. This is so easy. You're going to need 2 cans of condensed milk, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 5 eggs, and you are going to place everything into a blender and you are going to blend it. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the caramel for this dessert. It is so easy. You're just going to need brown sugar, a nonstick pan, and you are going to add the brown sugar. You have to pay a lot of attention until it starts melting, and you want to stir it consistently until the caramel starts to form. And then you have to be very careful because the caramel is going to be very hot. Gonna pour it inside the container that you're gonna be using, and then on top you will pour the mixture. Once that's done, we are going to give this dessert a water bath, and it is very simple. Just add a little bit of water to a container. For example, it could be one that you use to make turkey, just to give you an example, and add water to it, but add just a little bit of water. Okay, so here I have just racks of clothing. I recently did a look with this. I love this dress. And then I have everything organized by category and by color. Like here I have robes, here I have just sets, and then it goes into long sleeves. Then here I have shirts, blouses. I really like this one. I posted it on an Instagram post. I love this and I never wear it that much. Then here I have my pants, some of them, dresses by color. Then I have jumpsuits, rompers, and I really love this one. This is my favorite one of all time. Love it. This one's BCBG. I love it. And then over here I have my jackets. This one got ruined. I know this was a BCBG jacket that Sandy threw in the dryer and in the washer and dryer, and he ruined it for me. I don't want to get rid of it. I want to see if I can fix it. But here I have just like everything by color, jackets. This was my birthday coat. And then here are the hangers because I have to bring in more stuff. And I have some more stuff here because I take care of my stuff. Like I put everything inside bags and it's all tucked in the back. But I have like shoes. I keep everything in boxes because like I just told you guys, I take care of my stuff, and everything is not going to be like in the same order that you're seeing right now. But this is for a look that I am planning for a Get Ready With Me reel. I'm just waiting for something else. And then this should be on my mic. So here I have some of my purses, clutches displayed. I'm gonna get a shoe organizer, but I have some of my shoes here. And then on this side, I have some of my boots because I got rid of a lot of stuff. Yeezys, I wear those shoes all the time.